Hello, English Vibes friends! Welcome back to our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we make English super easy and fun. I'm Tom, your happy teacher. This is episode 2, and today we learn numbers and how to count. It's simple and great for beginners. Meet my friend Anna. Anna, say hi.
Hi, Tom. Hi, friends. I'm Anna. I learn English.
Great job, Anna. Friends, Anna is a beginner, just like you. Today, we count from 1 to 20 and say things like, I have 2 cats. It's like a fun game.
I like games, Tom. Numbers are fun.
Oh yes, Anna, numbers are super fun. We'll practice slow, then fast, and play a game called Number Guess. You can repeat with us at home. Ready? Subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments what's your favorite number. Maybe 5 or 10. We'll read the best ones next time. This is from our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we learn easy words to talk in English. Want more lessons? Tell us in the comments. Let's count it up. Okay, Anna, let's start with numbers. We learn 1 to 10 first. Listen, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anna, say 1.
1?
Close, Anna. It's 1 with a nice O sound. Let's try together. Friends, repeat with us. Slow. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, I did it.
Yes, you did. Now, let's try 11 to 20. Listen. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Anna, say 15.
15?
Perfect. Let's practice. Slow. 11, 12, 13,
11, 12, 13,
14, 15, 16,
17, 18, 19, 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, friends. Now, let's use numbers. Like, I have 1 dog. Anna, try it.
I have 2 cats.
Nice. Friends, repeat. I have. I have. I have. Say a number and thing. I have. I have. I have. I have.
Tom, I say I have 3 apple.
Oh, Anna, it's apples, not apple for more than 1. Like, I have 3 apples. Small mistake, friends. We all do it. Let's try how many. Like, how many cats? Anna, ask me.
How many dogs, Tom?
I have 1 dog. Friends, repeat. How many? How many? How many? Say a thing. How many? How many? How many? How many? Time for a game. It's called Number Guess. I say a number of things, Anna guesses, and you guess at home. Ready? I have 3 books. Anna, what's the number?
3. My turn. I have 5 pens. Tom, what's the number?
5. Friends, your turn. I have 2 apples. Say the number. Great. One more. My name is Tom. I have 10 cats. My name is Anna. I have 6 pens. Friends, say your name and a number with a thing. Solo practice. Say, I have, your number, your thing. Now, Anna, let's use numbers to talk about things. Imagine we're at a shop. I say, I have 2 apples. Anna, reply.
I have 3 oranges.
Good. Friends, repeat. I have. I have. Say a number and thing. Now a question. How many apples? Anna, ask me.
How many apples?
Almost. It's apples for more than one. How many apples? Let's practice. Slow. How many apples? How many apples? Medium. How many apples? How many apples? Fast. How many apples? How many apples?
Okay, Tom, how many apples?
I have 2 apples. Friends ask, how many apples? Now answer with your number. Let's try a little story. Anna's at a park with toys. Anna, say a number and thing.
I have 4 balls.
Awesome. Now ask a question.
How many balls, Tom?
I have 1 ball. Friends, make your own story. Say, I have, your number, your thing. Like, I have 5 books. Now ask, how many your thing? Let's add not. Like, I don't have 10 dogs. Anna, try it.
I don't have 6 cats.
Yes. Friends, repeat. I don't have. I don't have. I don't have. Say a number and thing you don't have. I don't have. I don't have. I don't have. I don't have. One more story. At a school. Anna, say a number and ask me.
I have 7 books. How many books, Tom?
I have 3 books, not 7. Friends, try a school story. Say, I have, your number, your thing, and ask how many your thing. Okay, Anna, let's talk like friends. We're at a market. I start. Hi, my name is Tom. I have 2 oranges. How many oranges do you have?
Hello, Tom. My name is Anna. I have 5 oranges. How many apples do you have?
I have 1 apple. Nice to meet you. Friends, repeat Anna's line. My name is Anna. I have 5 oranges. Now say your own. Round 2. Anna, you start.
Good morning. My name is Anna. I have 3 pens. How many pens, Tom?
Good morning, Anna. I have 6 pens, not 3. How many books do you have? I have 2 books. Friends, join in. Say your name and a number with a thing. Ask how many your thing. Now our game, number chain. I say my name and number, Anna adds, and you keep it going. Ready? My name is Tom. I have 1 dog.
My name is Anna. I have 2 cats. Your turn, friends.
One more. My name is Tom. I have 1 dog. My name is Anna. I have 2 cats. Quick round. Say, I have 1. Ask, how many dogs? Answer, I have your number.
I have 2 cats.
Final repeat. Our big phrase, 3 times. Slow. I have 1. I have 1. Medium. I have 1. I have 1. Fast. If 1. Anna, you're a number star. Friends, practice every day, and you'll count like a pro. Thanks, Anna. You're the best.
Thank you, Tom.
Subscribe, share, and comment your favorite number and thing, like I have 10 stars. We'll read the best next time. Bye from Tom and Anna.
That's a fantastic list, Tom. These are all things that everyone does regularly, so learning these phrases is super helpful for beginners.
Absolutely. And remember, you can use these phrases to talk about your own day. Try to think about what you do from morning until night and say it in English.
That's great practice. You can even write it down. Writing can help you remember the words and phrases better.
Yes, that's a wonderful idea, Anna. And don't worry if you don't know all the words yet. Just try your best and you'll learn more and more each day.
Exactly. Learning a new language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small it seems.
That's such good advice, Anna. Well, I think we've covered a lot about our day today. Hopefully, our listeners found this helpful.
I hope so too, Tom. It was fun talking about our daily routines. It was, Tom.
And to our listeners, thank you so much for joining us today on English Vibes. We really appreciate you being here.
Yes, thank you. And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us. And we love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now, everyone.
Goodbye.